Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Oppo A16S. First of all, go into Play Store on both and click on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, allow, and OK. Then do exactly the same on an Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. OK. Finally, choose Receive at the bottom of your Oppo and Send at the bottom left corner of Android smartphone. Now you can click on all of those dots from all of those categories and select Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo, choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on Oppo, click on the best option for you, just close this window and select one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, then choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. But you can also go back, input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Now after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!